Looking for a better way to manage your AI-generated 3D models? Use Echo3D. Echo3D supports all 3D formats, making it easy to upload your 3D models from any platform. Let's try it with Creatify.ai, a generative AI tool to create 3D models. Just enter a simple text prompt, and AI generates a high-quality 3D model instantly. Here we typed in Red Dragon, and Creatify will turn that text into a 3D model. Refine your creation with AI-assisted adjustments, and once you're happy, export your model in GLB or FBX format. Now, let's bring your 3D model to the cloud. First, you'll need to create or sign into your Echo3D account. Upload your model to Echo3D's platform to manage, edit, and optimize it for any device. With Echo3D, you can compress files, apply texture enhancements, and optimize for AR, VR, and web experiences. No coding required. You can add tags, create multiple versions, and more with Echo3D's 3D DAM tools. Now, it's time to share. Instantly generate links, QR codes, or embed your 3D model anywhere for seamless collaboration and distribution. You can streamline your workflow for instant changes since Echo3D integrates with Unity, Unreal Engine, e-commerce sites, and more platforms. From importing AI-powered 3D creations to cloud-based 3D asset management, Echo3D makes managing 3D easier than ever. Try it today at echo3d.com.